Hey everyone at good day mga Ilonggo player natin dyan. It's me, Christian Tadilla, aka STR Cadel. Sa mga Ilonggo player natin dyan naglalaro ng Counter-Strike 2 or CSGO 2 mga idol, may good news tayo. Talaga? Sa darating ng March 23, 2024, may big event po sa Cold Zone ang Counter-Strike 2 guys ng MSI Tournament. 100k cash prize major event guys. Tignan nyo guys, malakihan to guys, big event. At free to play lang po to sa Steam. Nakita nyo sa task guys, Counter-Strike 2 sa Steam lang yan matatagpuan. Tapos ipapakita ko sa inyo guys yung price ng champion, mga cash prize. Ito guys, sa task champion, second place at third place at fourth place. Tapos pag sumali po kayo guys sa tournament natin sa March 23, 2024 sa Cold Zone, may free time po, 15 hours PC time. Basta sumali lang kayo ng tournament ng Counter-Strike 2 at may free foods at drinks po kayo.
Nice.
Doon, nakita nyo na guys, sumali na kayo ng tournament, may free foods at drinks pa kayo. Tapos only 16 teams are allowed to join to event mga idol. 16 teams. At good news guys, may good news pa rin tayo. Okay. Guys, ini tournament tayo guys sa weekdays or weekend like Monday, Wednesday at Saturday guys. Nagmagra-random match po tayo sa Counter-Strike 5 versus 5. Best of 3 maps po yan. Kapag sino po manalo dyan sa best of 3 maps, matatanggap ng 100G cash po.
Oh my God!
Viewers natin dyan mga idol, dapat naka-follow kayo sa Cold Zone na page at sa stream natin guys, at naka-share buds po kayo mga idol para sumali po kayo sa ruleta natin guys. At mag-giveaways po tayo ng 100G cash sa sino man nanalo sa ruleta natin guys, sa 5 na mananalo. Okay guys, what are you waiting for mga Ilonggo player? Sali na kayo sa big event natin sa March 23, 2024 na tournament ng Counter-Strike 2 sa Cold Zone near side gate ng University of San Agustin lang yan matatagpuan mga idol. At papakita ko yung mga highlights ng mga pro player. Tingnan nyo guys, watch this.
Oh, Simple's going for it. Okay. Oh, the pass. Oh, have to come up in 18 seconds. Oh, no. There's still in trouble. The bomb is down. Oh, he tries to hit. That one is not that far off either. 11 seconds now. Simple's still feeling it. He's still got his finger on the trigger. It's going to be effective going down. Simple spinning around with one more kill on Rez. Tries to come off the bomb. It's so crazy. But he's finally trapped in the end. Doesn't hit that try out on the other side. He takes down Bro and Simple. No way. No, there should be no way. This is an impossible round to win, and it was from the start. He scoped up, not realizing. Hampers walking up close. Simple. Oh, no!
Future of Counter